Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to our Phonemic Awareness lesson for today. Today for your lesson, you will need the What is Missing activity sheet from your work packet and a pencil. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right, friends, welcome back. Today we're going to work on our learning target that says, I can identify the middle sound and letter of words. So we're going to take a look at some pictures, and the pictures are matching three-letter words. And we're going to find the middle letter of each of those words. But we know, we've been practicing reading and writing words, and we know that every single word, in order for it to be real, has one of these guys. What are these letters called right here? If you said vowel, kiss your brain. A vowel is a special letter in the alphabet. There are 26 letters in the alphabet, and of all 26, 5 of them are vowels. Let's name our vowels. We have A, E, I, O, U. Let's say each of their sounds. A says A, and A says A. E says E, and E says E. I says I, and I says I. O says ah, and O says O. U says and U says you. Very good job. Give yourself another kiss on the brain. Excellent. So we know those vowels are special for 2 reasons. They make words real, and they have 2 sounds. They say their name, and they have a short sound. So what we just did was said both sounds. So for example, A says ah, that's its short sound, and A says A, which is its name. So when we're spelling words, we use the vowels to make those words real. On my board, I have a picture of a cat. I also have 3 lines next to it to show that when I label the cat, the word cat has 3 letters, okay? So when I stretch out that word, k, a, t, I hear also 3 sounds. K. What letter says k? C says k. I hear a. What letter says a? A says a, and I hear t. What letter says t? T says t. So as I hear each of those sounds and slowly stretch out each part of that word, I know I can write those corresponding letters, those matching letters to label the picture. So cat is C-A-T, cat. Okay? Now, if I did not have a vowel in this word, my A, then this word would be kt, kt. Look at the cute little kt. Does that make sense? Would you understand if I said, oh, look at the cute little kt? You'd look at me and say, Miss Parton, what is that noise you're making? So, vowels are very important. Today, this is what we're going to work on, okay? When you're doing your activity sheet, you are going to fill in the middle letter. First, you're going to stretch it out slowly, and then that sound you hear in the middle, when you tap your elbow, that middle sound, ooh, you're going to think, what letter makes that sound? Ah, I know, and you're going to write that letter down, okay? So let's take a look at our pictures on our activity sheet. We're going to name our pictures, and then we're going to talk about the letters that go with each. So we have hat, cub, bus, pin, top, sun. Okay, so what the worksheet has already done, they've given us our beginning letter and our ending letter for each of the words. But remember, we're labeling the picture. So whatever word we make has to make sense and match the picture. Instead of doing the first one with you, I'm going to do this one right here because this one is a different picture that most of our friends probably have not seen or used before. So this is called a pen. This is not like a pen that you write with. A pen that you write with is with an E in the middle, an E. This is a pen that you use to close things. So if, say you had a hole in your shirt and until your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa, somebody could sew it together, You might use a pin to put it together. It's very, very sharp. So this pin has an I in the middle. In. Let's stretch it out on our arm. Pin. So they already give us our P and our in. What is the letter we're going to write in the middle? I. What letter says I? I says I. So in the middle of that word, we're going to write a lowercase I. Line and dot. Notice I do a line and dot, not a blackened hole or a circle. Some of our friends like to do this or this. We don't want any lollipops or suckers, okay? Nope, 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 nope. We just want a line and a dot, okay? I wrote with pen or marker so that you could see. So make sure when you're filling in your vowel or your middle letter for each of these words that it's a lowercase letter since it's inside of your word, okay? Don't forget to use your blending arm to help you. Also, if you need to rewind to remind yourself of what the pictures are, make sure to do that too, okay? Keep up the great work, friends. You guys are such rock stars, and we will continue working on some fun things tomorrow. See you then.